Valtown, a little city with a lot of houses. And in each house, a different sound. Stop for a moment with me and let's do it together. I've sat here with you so many times. Shall we? One last time together? I, I, A, 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 O, 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 U. I, you, ow, ow, oi, oi, or, are, and today, the three sisters. As you saw, there are three ways of spelling as in germ. J, Today, let's use pipe cleaners to highlight the part that I want you to remember. To spell germ, you need ER.
That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning.
Here's another one. Bird. Oh, sorry. This one. Bird. B. D. In this case, it's IR.
I'm paying my dues to make it. Everybody wants to be what they want. That's why I'm easy. Sunday morning, yeah. That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning.
Here's another one. Fur. And then you are.
Easy like Sunday morning. I'm paying my dues to make it. Everybody wants to be what they want. That's why I'm easy. Easy like Sunday morning.
Well, there you have it. ER, IR, UR. The three ways of spelling Now, don't get discouraged if you don't have any pipe cleaners. You can always undo a paper clip with one hand while the other hand holds a camera.
That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning.
ER, IR, UR. And as always, thank you for watching.